Welcome back to TechVibes. Bao. Today we are diving into the ultimate guide to IPTV playlists and how to unlock the best streaming experience possible. The world of home entertainment is evolving rapidly, and IPTV is right at the center of this revolution. With the demand for high-quality streaming growing every day, finding reliable IPTV playlists is more important than ever. In this video, we will walk you through how working M3U files and Xtream Codes can completely transform your viewing setup. Modern IPTV services have come a very long way from their early days. They now deliver a refined and user-friendly ecosystem for every type of viewer. First, network infrastructure and streaming protocols have seen massive upgrades. This means significantly less buffering and fewer dropped connections, so you enjoy smooth, uninterrupted playback. Second, you get access to a much wider variety of content across the board. That includes global news networks, live sports leagues, niche documentaries, and specialized programming. Third, modern IPTV applications now feature intuitive user interfaces. You get easy content discovery, customized layout options, and personalized recommendations. Finally, cross-device compatibility is better than ever before. You can stream content seamlessly on smart TVs, tablets, smartphones, and dedicated streaming boxes. At the heart of accessing IPTV content, there are two primary delivery methods. These are M3U playlists and the Xtream Codes API. Let us break down M3U playlists first. An M3U file is essentially a plain text playlist that contains direct web links to media streams. It acts like a digital table of contents for all your live channels. When you load an M3U link into a compatible IPTV player, the player reads those streaming links. It connects directly to the host server and decodes the channel right onto your screen. The main advantage of M3U playlists is their pure simplicity. Because they are plain text files, they are very easy to read, edit, or customize to your liking. They are also incredibly flexible and supported across almost all platforms. Whether you are using Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, or a smart TV, M3U files just work. When choosing an M3U playlist, look for regularly updated lists with active links and HD or 4K streams. Now let us talk about Xtream Codes. Xtream Codes provides a server-side management system that serves as a robust backbone for managed IPTV services. Instead of loading raw M3U files, Xtream Codes handles user authentication, channel lineups, and program guides. You simply log in using a server URL along with a username and password. This method gives you an integrated electronic program guide, or EPG. It syncs live TV schedules, channel logos, and program details directly into your player interface. It also supports full video-on-demand libraries, putting movies and TV shows right alongside live TV. Plus, centralized server management delivers optimized bandwidth and lower latency for a smoother stream. When evaluating high-quality IPTV setups, there are a few key features you should always look for. First, make sure the playlists are verified and updated regularly to avoid broken channels. Second, look for accurate, real-time program schedules and rich channel guides. Third, verify that the service supports high-definition, Full HD, and 4K streaming capabilities. Fourth, look for a great balance of local stations, international channels, and live sports. Lastly, seek out platforms with quick setup procedures and responsive technical support. Once your playlist or IPTV connection is ready, you can apply a few quick optimization tricks to get the absolute best performance. We always recommend using a dedicated standalone IPTV player app. Dedicated players offer much better hardware decoding and smoother program guide rendering than generic media players. Next, always prioritize a stable network connection for your device. Using a wired Ethernet cable is ideal whenever possible, as high bitrate streams demand consistent bandwidth. If you are on wireless, connecting over 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz will give you much better speed. You should also organize your playlist within your app settings. Categorizing channels by region or genre makes surfing through your lineup completely effortless. Finally, utilizing privacy tools like a trusted VPN optimized for fast streaming can help keep your connection private and secure. Using these tips will ensure you get the smooth and reliable home entertainment setup you deserve. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit that like button right now. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes for more tech tutorials, streaming tips, and device guides. Drop a comment below and let us know what IPTV player you are currently using. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.